I've seen a comment on a forum. The person was asking why doesn't he see this oil light there? And so that's why I thought about making a video with all the check lights. These are when you have the key without starting the engine. Just turn it to position, I guess position 2, because position 1 doesn't show much. So you have all these lights. I think diesel engine will also have something like a coil or a coil heating light, but just get it back. It's really good to check you have all these lights. Why? Because maybe someone it's a little bit smart, and when he's selling the car and he has a check light, engine check light, or maybe a SRS light, or even worse, the oil light, and he may be a little bit too smart and remove the dim and just tape that light on I'm not going to get too much into the detail, but just hide the light basically, and he will hide actually the problem. So maybe at the moment when going to see check a car, turn the ignition to position 2 and check you have all these lights, and that's a really good check when especially when a car is older, like 15 years old or something like this. Problems arise. So let's just see again the lights, and also I'm going to start the engine to see which lights remain, but basically there should be none of them. So this is position 1, the airbag light. Position 2, all the lights, check lights. After a few seconds we get the check engine light and the oil light, and when you fire up the engine, those two disappear.